Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe to the channel and write your comments in the comment box. Thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about after these two states bifurcation, what is the problem the end user is facing. Andhra and Telangana both are facing the same issue. Number one, if you have bought the car before bifurcation, there is no tax to be paid in Telangana or Andhra. But after Telangana and Andhra divided, if you are buying a car from Andhra to Telangana, you have to pay a tax. And whatever the tax you have paid for the new car, the same tax is paid at the depreciation value. Same way, if you bought if someone from Andhra wants to buy a Telangana car, they have to pay tax again there. So the governments are making money and the RT agents are making money in the middle. So to beat the system, what they are doing is, for example, we are buying an Andhra car. The RT agent comes along with the laptop and a biometric machine and he gets it transferred sitting in Telangana in the Andhra address. So, and same way Telangana. So this is the actual end user is paying tax and he is making loss. This is the disadvantage after bifurcation of the state. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.